Hello Creo users, you may have come across the requirement of outer surface area in your design. This area is helpful in planning for painting and other coating estimation. Like working on the factory layout, you have to design for platforms using rectangular profiles, handles with circular tube section, instrument or equipment piping, which require paint job before installation. As an example, let's open this handle assembly for which you need to provide outer surface information in the drawing. You may already know how to put the total surface area parametrically, but especially in the large assembly design, when you have hollow section profiles like for these many pipes, capturing outer surface area may become challenge. For this, I have a solution for you in the form of assembly shrink wrap. You can locate this feature in the model tab. If you have noticed, I have nut and bolts for assembly purposes. For some reason you want to exclude them, you can do it in the subset window. As these hardware are already pre-coated and directly used at site location, you can pick them from the graphic area or pick the whole set in the model tree and exclude them. After applying the required changes, open the modify subset and we will be directed back to the shrink wrap menu. Notice that shrink wrap is already using outer surface criteria by default for resulting geometry. Next, in the option apply the auto hole filling. Now it depends on complexity of your design. You have to set the value of quality level for the output. I will recommend use a value of 7 for the best results. After applying the setting, do check the results for the effectiveness of this value. For this, I will offset the created geometry from the original at some distance. If there are any open faces, increase the quality level to the next value and check the output again. Now we have proper filling in this design. You may also check the output geometry by using section tools in more detail and correct the setting as required. Now we have to set this up for the drawing. We will create a measure for the surface area calculation. Note that I will pick the geometry first before opening the measure command. I will set the geometry filter to the quilt and pick all the output geometry from the graphic area by using rectangular selection. Then I will choose the measure command. It will display the output results as shown. Before saving this, you may exclude other unnecessary parameters from the output feature. After getting this done, save the measure feature. After that, we can hide the shrink wrap feature and save the layer status. To call the parameter in the drawing, let's open its drawing. You may not get the desired result if you are using multiple model views in the drawing, and maybe the model tree is set active to a different model. So I have not copied the feature name in the assembly to make this process foolproof. I will suggest the same you to copy the measure feature name in the drawing so that you set the model tree active for the designated assembly model beforehand. Now in the notes where the outer surface to be placed, just type and area followed by colon FID means feature ID next to it underscore and paste the feature name. And if required, you can also add decimal control. After coming out of these notes, you can see outer surface area is generated in the notes. That's it. Hope you soon will make use of these in your design. Please like the video, share within your circle and do not forget to leave your comments and suggestions. Thank you.